Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench. So today I got up early, which I don't like to do, and I went to a garage sale. And it's not something I have done much in recent years, but there was a vice, a woodworker's vice, that I wanted to look at. When I got there, it was a disappointment because it was all rusty and crusty, and I'm not getting into that. However, I did get myself a second dustpan, just like my other one, which I have had since I was a teenager. So I have no idea how old that is, but they're good dustpans. And I picked up a virtually brand new Red Devil made in USA putty knife. So that's worth some money. Then there was a hammer that I'm going to clean up and show you one day. Kind of a unique hammer. I don't have one like it. And there was a air compressor tool that if I can get it to work, great. If I can't get it to work, no big deal. It'll go in the trash. Um, this caught my eye, and I could not leave that there. It is an 1.75" Stanley lever cap. It's got some oxidation, so more than likely it will have to be cleaned and the rust taken off, and probably the chrome will come off with it. But if you need, I don't need this, but if you notice, it has the regular keyhole, not the kidney shaped one. So this is an early number 3 or number 5.25" lever cap. So if you need one, contact me. There was that. There was a little torpedo level, a little 9-inch level. I misplaced mine. I can't find mine. So I figured, okay, if it works, even if it's just close, it was made by Craftsman, so I picked that up too. That's outside. And then there were 2 boards, and we're going to talk about that in a separate video because I'm blown away. I'm actually blown away at nature, and we'll talk about that in another video. So that's about it for this one. Garage sale update. You need a lever cap, let me know. You like going to garage sales? Can you put your hands in your pockets and not buy things? I picked up a lot of things. There was a few things there that were kind of interesting, but I put them back down. But it's kind of a sad thing when you go to these garage sales. Like this one happened to be of a family, and the gentleman whose belongings these were is no longer has his faculties. He has dementia and Alzheimer's. So this reinforces to me that I need to get rid of some of this stuff here. And you'd be very proud of me. I don't know if you can see it from here, but all the way back over here, this top shelf is now empty. And there was another bundle of wood over there. I had someone come visit today looking for some small craft wood, and I had a whole bunch of quarter sawn red oak. And I said, if you can use it, take it. Oh, yeah, and back here, there was some walnut. Also, 1/2-inch craft wood. Out the door it went. And so you'd be proud of me. I'm cleaning out. While I'm bringing in, I'm cleaning out. So more on this in the next video. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.